I'll install it on the desk and put this leg. I'll try to show you now how I set up this arm. I think before doing anything, I want to make sure that it's actually working. I'll try to install this base. So put in the protection there, and let's see if I can get it right. There's this thing that should click there. There is also the base with this kind of leg. Okay, so you have this kind of legs there, and they just lock in place together. And then you have two extra screws there. You have to screw them in, one of these two sets. Okay, so I have here the base, and I'll install the screws. Okay, I got myself a Phillips head screwdriver or similar. I just have to screw in this. Make sure the screws are straight. I try to screw them well in so they are flush and nice and solid. Okay, the screws are in. I don't see any way to screw anything here, so I'm not sure if I need to screw anything there. I will try to simply click this in place. Seems okay, but I think I have to screw them at below here. Yeah, so I need to remove this. I'll remove this and continue. Okay, because I didn't read the instructions. Removing the screws. I removed the screws because it's easier to install the arm to the monitor first and then to the base. So this, I could use them. I'll put the arm on the monitor first, and then I'll screw these two screws in the hole there. And if you have the screen, you will see them. Wrong screw. They seem to be the same size, or no, I'm not sure. They're not the same size. Okay, I'll try again. So I'll use these screws, this kind of shape, the more flat shape. Yeah, this one works. Okay, now they're solid. And I'll connect this base plate. It helps keeping this screen on the edge here, so the base plate can easily fit somewhere like that. And now these screws with this shape, they go at the bottom of the base plate. Two holes here. Okay, I think it's ready. Now the screen can stand on its own on the base. Just like that. It's a little bit adjustable here. I'll try to turn on the monitor and see if it works, and then I'll make another video about installation, or maybe just a setup video so you see how it looks like when it's ready. If you're cleaning this, make sure you don't use too much water, because they have usually the contacts at the below there. It will ruin the screen. Don't ask me how I know that. Okay, I found the power adapter. They were supposed to give us this thing from the shop. So I don't know how they forgot to do that. I'll see, maybe I go and ask them for one. Okay, I'll plug in the power cable. The power cable is plugged in. And let's see if it shows anything on the screen. Probably needs signal. I'll try to long press the power button here, or whatever joystick. It's off, and yeah, it needs signal. So I'll try to put it on the desk and see how it looks like when it's already installed. Thanks for watching. If I don't show that. I don't see any light on it. Some status light. Okay. I'll try to do the installation, and then I'll show you. It shows now. It turned on. Powered on, no signal. It says no signal. Okay, I'll try to install it.